that, that's a little bit better. I have to clean it up a couple times a year because it'll build up all kinds of fatwood pieces and barren blocks and scrap pieces of wood projects that I've done. But now all I have underneath there is this pine knot for a little bit of fatwood, my baton. And when this burns down into ash, we'll dump that into my ashes bottle for fire rolls. So it's always a good feeling to get things cleaned up and get them organized. Do me a favor now, before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.